Hi everybody, this is Mike from WingmanRC, and today I wanted to show you how to assemble our little test stand. This is one we use here in the shop to test every motor before it goes out the door. It's used to measure thrust also. Anyway, you'll need some epoxy, and it's a good idea to have a square. You'll get a priority mailbox with all the parts that you need to construct it right there. You want to open the box, take your parts out, become familiar with the parts. And here's a little bag of laser cut braces and angles, and then here you have your hardware and a motor mount. This motor mount adapts to fit a lot of different motors, and here is your base plate. So basically what you want to do is you want to start with this. You want to glue this piece to here, and you want to glue this piece to right here. Those will form these sides right here. Once you do that, you take your axle right here, pull one of the little ends off, take your bushing out, go ahead and put it through right here, then take and put epoxy in this general area right here. Be careful not to get any in the tube. Then you take this and you put just a little bit on here, don't get any in the hole, so when you push it through like this, you won't get any in the tube. If you do, just wipe it off real quick with some paper towel or something and get it out of there. Once you do that, what you do is you take and put some more epoxy right here and here, and put the side pieces on. Same thing right here. Put some epoxy on there. Get that going. Before that epoxy dries, have your square handy. Make sure that this thing is at a 90-degree angle. Okay? Clamp that off. Wait for it to dry. Once you do that, what you do is, this is going to be the top. This little hole right here has to face the bottom. Once you do that, what you do is, these will be already glued together. Take your axle shaft, slide it through there, put it through the bushing, take your other piece, go ahead and put that right there, and then mount it right onto your base plate, just like that. Once it's mounted, you can take your other little end piece right there and put it on right there. So what you have basically is this right here. Once you do that, before that bottom piece dries, you can take this piece right here and attach it. You can space this out to leave it overlap, or you can make it fit just perfectly. This piece right here prevents this unit from tipping back all the way and slamming all the way back. This is our little addition that makes this thing kind of unique and bulletproof. Okay, once you do that, you have an assembled test stand. You have this is your motor mount. It attaches with this screw. Simply put it right here through the pre-drilled holes and tighten that down. Once again, you want to have this motor mount here at a 90-degree angle to this. If you have a motor with an 8mm bearing tube, it fits right in. If you do not, we include this little adapter. You can put any type of X mount or round mount, whatever you want. Put it in there, tighten the screw down, and you can now test just about any kind of motor there is. Last thing to put on is this little screw right here in the pre-drilled hole. Simply put that in, and it can be adjusted or screwed in as much as you need, and that is what actually rests on the end of the scale right here to give you your thrust readings right there. Adjusted for height for different scales. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. There's your WingmanRC thrust stand right there. There you go. Thanks for watching.